Happy birthday to you.
And we're going to do for Julia.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Julia. Happy birthday to you. Blow it out, Matthew.
Yay! Matthew blew it out.
Okay, time for Julia and Matthew to eat the cake.
Oh boy.
Wow, you can put that down, Matthew.
No.
Thank you.
Was there just two in here, or did you ask them to make it?
No, they're made. Come on, Julia. Mogo.
She picks it.
Oh, it's going to be messy.
She doesn't know what to do with it.
Yeah.
gotta
Matthew
get
was the same way on your bird.
Get a towel. Put it under her. Julia, Mogo. Yum yum.
There's some lights, so we get a towel. What do I do?
Yum yum. No, not on the down. Let's try this. Try it. Mmm. Mmm.
Look at Matthew eating his. Wow. Oh, Julia. Not sure how to put this on.
Look at the way Matthew's eating it.
Yeah, Julia. Watch Matthew.
Come on. Mogo.
You don't hear it.
Oh, I'm sorry, Julia.
Mmm. Mmm. Yum yum.
Dad,
Matthew.
Mama, where's my candles?
Oh, I threw it out. Because I didn't want it to burn and ouchie.
Ouch. Julia almost touched it.
She did.
What?
I'm going to have to, like, protect it. Now, Matthew, why don't you eat the pie? You're going to take the paper down.
No.
You're just going to eat the icing? You're not going to eat the cake? The cake is in here, the cupcake. That's just the icing.
I want to eat the icing.
Matthew!
Julia eating the icing.
Julia's not eating anything because she doesn't know how. She doesn't care for it. Julia.
No!
Here.
You don't rub it on
Look what she's doing.
people's not a napkin. That is a napkin.
You're right, Matthew.
Hey, why don't you uncover it first? Unwrap it. Yeah.
Okay, hold on, Julia. See, I'm going to take all the paper off, Matthew. Like that. So she could eat some of the cake.
She loves the cake.
Mm-hmm. She doesn't know what to do with it.
She thinks it's water.
Mm-hmm.
It's a little dry. Here, let me get it.
Here's the water. Here's the water.
She
Use
has
my
a
cup.
water? Oh. She has a water bottle somewhere.
Is it good? Yum yum.
Matthew!
Is it Matthew's birthday or Julia's birthday?
My birthday!
Okay.
Every day is Matthew's birthday.
Dada, look at me.
Matthew, what did you eat?
Cupcake.
Did Matthew have a nap?